when it comes just to weather.
Right.
Let's start with the storms in the Midwest and plains, because we got a threat for severe weather today and tomorrow in the higher terrain, I think, of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. We'll talk about that coming up.
And we've got rain returning to the forecast. So you may have had a really nice Saturday, or you will in many spots like the Northeast, a little on the chilly side. But the next cold front comes in early this week, and it's going to be a soaker for some folks.
And we're also keeping an eye here on the Pacific Northwest, Washington, Oregon, Idaho. This blue on the map is snow. After a dismal year, getting snow in the mountains.
Finally.
Incredible stuff. Okay, so we've seen so many. So Dave, I can see that behind you we've got some equipment, it looks like, and already maybe some boarding that's going up to try and salvage what's left of these homes. Those blossoms watered a little bit with some rain yesterday, but today it's gorgeous. DC, you're going to see a mix of sun and clouds. As you know, clouds are a little better for your photographs out there by the cherry blossoms, but those breaks of sunshine will feel nice because your high today only in the mid-60s, so just enough for a light jacket. You don't have to bundle up. That's a bit of good news. How about Sunday, though? 70 degrees. I think that's a perfect day to get out to the Cherry Blossom Festival. Maybe also, pack a picnic. Not a bad idea. All across the Mid-Atlantic and into the Northeast, it's not bad this morning. A little on the cool side in places like Cleveland, where it's only 39 degrees. Roanoke, you're at 55 degrees right now. We've got a little bit of warmth, or we definitely have seen quite a bit of warmth right along the East Coast. This was thanks to that warmth out ahead of the cold front. Behind the cold front, it is such a different story. Look at Cleveland, 26 degrees colder than you were just 24 hours ago. So big changes there. Today, you're going to be right at average in New York City. Syracuse will be a little below, Pittsburgh a little below, DC right at your average temperature. So perfect weekend for you. Above average tomorrow across the board, the 60s all the way across much of the Northeast and New England. So that's not bad, right? Good looking forecast for you. By Monday, it's pretty nice as well. You've got temperatures soaring up near 80 degrees, but rain returns to the forecast by the time you get to Tuesday across the Northeast and all the way up and down the East Coast. So make sure that you're prepared for that. Chris?